Hi class, welcome to week 4. We have 2 more weeks, so we're on the countdown to the end of the class. You guys are doing a great job, great outlines this week. We talked about preparing to write, and you guys discussed thesis statements and what you learned about thesis statements and outlining or brainstorming. Great topics that you guys submitted with your outlines and great outlines. Most of you have pretty much done the research and have written your paper. There is a paper that will be due week 5. So this work that you did in week 3 can be your foundational work for your paper in week 5. So keep all of this information because you will be writing a draft of your paper in week 5. I sent out midterm grades last week. So if you didn't get your midterm grade, please let me know and I will resend it. Great work in all of your assignments, and many of you submitted your missing assignments. I'm missing a few assignments from week 3. You guys still have time to submit those and get them into me, okay? Now let's talk about what we're going to do in week 4 this week. We're going to talk more about sentencing and structuring sentences and grammar, what type of sentences there are, and then you're going to actually compose either an email or a business letter, a status report on a project that you're working on, or maybe you want to write a job description for your resume. That'll be good practice for you. Be sure that when you do this, that you proofread. You could use Grammarly if you would like. Make sure that you cite any sources if you use any sources outside of your own brain. Let me know if you need any assistance with this assignment. Give me a call, shoot me an email, shoot me a text. Well, you guys have a great week. Oh, also this week, your end of term surveys. Please be sure to go in. We do read those surveys and we do improve our instruction and our courses based on your feedback in those surveys. So please, 100% feedback in the surveys this week, okay? And have a great week.